coming down and then going up and then coming down and then going up. That's the Instagrammable spot right there. This is Pandawa Beach. Look at that. Alright guys, the boy here is bringing so much of his stuff. No, I still have a really bad case of sore throat. Your boy here is carrying a lot of stuff because they forgot a lot of their things. So I'm going down, got 2 towels, a bag, sling bag, got the keys, and well, I'm holding it right now because we're going to an awesome place. I actually already did that in the Philippines. You guys probably already saw my Cebu vlog in regards to this one. I'm walking back to my room. I forgot to hit the please make room button because in this hotel, if you want your room to be, you know, they would go into your room and then clean stuff. You have to press this button, guys, right here. Make up room, and then it changes the one outside, as you can see, right there. Awesome, right? Yeah. Also, it's got a doorbell sign, so if you want to ring someone, you know, you can do that. So, as I was saying, we're on our way to a place that I already did back in the Cebu vlog, and it is paragliding. But this time, instead of your boy doing it with my cousin, I'm doing it with friends, which I think they're already waiting for me. hopefully. Anyways, oh no, I think we need to go, guys. Anyways, guys, we are currently on our way to the paragliding area. What is it called? The company? Do you know the company?
Timbis Paraglide.
Timbis?
Timbis, yeah.
It's like Timbits. Timbits paraglide, guys. We eat that a lot in Canada. How long is the drive towards there? Like 45 minutes?
Yes,
like that?
yes.
Okay.
Around
Alright.
45.
Well, 45 minutes of driving, guys. You heard the guy. And it's to the north, right? We're going to the north. Or we're going south.
Yeah.
Ah, right. Because Sunday's beach club is going south. Alright, well, I'll see you when you get there. Go slow. Alright guys, we have arrived at the, well, as you can see behind me, right there. Right there. Alright, let's get closer. You can probably see it already. We have arrived at the location of the paraglide. Yes, that is it. We are gonna do that. But first, your boy's wearing slippers, so I need to change to closed loop shoes. Okay guys, my money don't jiggle, it's gone. Actually, we're gonna sign up first. I think that's right there. Pilot registration, tandem reservation, all that good stuff. Let's sign up so we get the show on the road, guys. Get the show on the road. Look at that, guys. That's how strong the wind is here. You can just unfurl your parachute and it's just gonna go up in there. He's gone. Oh, maybe he can save it. He can save it. Pull that rope. Pull that rope. There you go. And he's ready. And he's off. There it is, guys. You see? He's actually going up because of how strong the wind is. Look at that. Wow. Wow, I'm excited, guys. I'm excited. I wanna try that too. I wanna try that. I know I did it in Cebu, and now I'm doing it here. Would have been nice if I did it in Nusapenida, but it didn't work out. When we went there, the clouds were bad. Oh, is he landing? Wow, what a, oh, smooth landing. Smooth landing. Come on. Smooth landing. Yo, dang. Yeah, I think he's training, guys. He's going up and coming back down and then doing this thing and then coming back up again. There you go. Wow, interesting. Alright, so we're just finishing our stuff here. Or we're already finished. Perfect. Let us go, guys. Oh, off he goes again. Awesome, man. I want to learn this thing, but I don't have time. Look at the landing. Look at the landing. Here you go. Oh, is it gonna be a smooth landing? Oh, ooh, ooh, ooh. Ah, someone catches you. Okay, okay. So it's an easy landing. You don't even do. It's easier than in Cebu then, because someone actually catches you. In Cebu, we were landing so fast. Oh, look at this view though. Wow. Look at that view, guys. Holy. Wow. Very oh my goodness. Wow. Ain't that a view, guys? Ain't that a view? Look at that. Oh, there he is again. He's back. I'm telling you, he's like training or something. He's coming down and then going up and then coming down and then going up. Oh. All right. We're going. Hold on, guys. We need to get strapped in. Strapped in first. I think they were already waiting for us. All right, here's your boy. Getting ready. And here's the other one. Yo. Oh, there he goes again. Alright. Your boy's waiting for his turn. These two already strapped in. Look at them. They already got the helmet, they already got their stuff. Oh, okay. We're in the way, guys. We are in the way. We can't be on the way. Hello. Ah, your boy's getting ready now. Right here?
Okay.
Right here. Perfect. There you go, guys. Yeah, just put it on.
Okay. Good.
Yeah, good. Very good. Bagus. Oh, there you go. Your boy's getting ready now. Look at him. Oh, there he goes. Bye, Jimko. Stay here? Yeah. Bye, Jimko. Whee! Bye. Oh! Whee! Oh my goodness. There he is. Look at that. They have so many people for one guy. Your baby's going now. Alright, I think this is my turn right here. Wow. Alright, no problem. Mark.
Mark?
Yes.
Where are you from?
Philippines. We are from Philippines. Ah, there he is.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Mark.
First time. Oh, this is so nice. Oh, wow.
Manny Pacquiao.
Sit down.
Right now? Making sure it's tight.
Pac-Man, yeah?
Pac-Man, yes.
Pac-Man or Pac-Man?
Pac-Man.
Pac-Man.
Yes, like like the game Pac-Man.
Pac-Man. Pac-Man.
Oh, right now.
Yeah,
Okay.
You ready?
Oh, I am ready. Let's go. All right, your boy's going.
Yeah.
Woo-hoo-hoo! Woo-hoo-hoo! Hey! 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 What is it?
Pandawa Beach.
Pandawa Beach, guys. This is Pandawa Beach. Look at that. Amazing view, amazing view. Wow. Oh, this one. This is the road. Oh, what is that called again?
Tanah Bara.
Tanah? Tanak Bara. Alright guys, that's the Instagrammable spot right there. Right here, you can see it. Right there. Yes. You see it, guys? That's my friend. Hey! So we're staying in this area
Yeah.
because there's wind,
Yeah.
updraft. As you can see, because of the cliff, you know, the cliff, the wind from the ocean, you know, it goes right here, and yeah, going like that.
Upwind.
Upwind. It's called upwind, guys. There you go. You learn something new. Definitely. This is two villa, but they're connected. Pandawa.
Yeah.
Oh, they have a rest stop.
Yeah.
What is that called? I can't read. Pantay.
Pantai Pandawa.
Oh, okay. It's just a sign. It's just flipped. Look at that, guys. You see where there's corals? There's the corals and reef, and then in the middle, nothing. Oh, there's a couple of them swimming. Good. Bagus.
Bagus.
Enjoy the water, guys.
We're spinning! Woo! Ah.
Just warung. And then you rent the what do you call that? Umbrella. Yeah, you rent the umbrella. How much price for the umbrella?
50.
50. Can you bargain, no?
Yeah, you can.
Oh, you can. Okay.
Okay, so we're landing now, and it was a very fun experience. It's really good. You should try. Go to Timbi's paragliding. It's really good, guys. It's a must try. You should go and try this one. So good.
There you go. Whoa. Oh, very good. Very nice. Smooth. Oh, smooth landing.
Yeah.
Oh, wow. Very
you, yeah.
nice. Awesome. Thanks, guys. Thanks. Hey, okay. Awesome. Hey.
Thank you.
Good job. Thank you. Here, like that. Oh, like that. Like this. Oh, okay. You want that one? Okay. Oh, yeah. Okay. They're landing here, guys. We gotta go over there. Wow, that was amazing. The view here, you know, and there's like an updraft always. So there's always a wind. You're not going down. You're always going up. And they're basically controlling the parachute. So we go down on the left side, and then we go back on right. We go up again, and then we go back to the left side. So I couldn't hear you.
Bruh, I went 180.
Diyan ang baba mo.
No, even
Oh.
there. I was like, whoa.
Wow, really?
Yeah, no, my guy had fun with me. I didn't tell him anything, but he saw
Yeah.
me having fun. Even before
Yeah.
landing, we did one spin and then go back.
Yeah. That's
Or
the
like
fun.
swinging.
That's
like
the fun
this.
one. Yeah,
Yo, my
swinging.
stomach, I'm like,
Yeah.
glide,
Yeah.
go sideways.
Yeah.
I'm gonna watch the video.
Oh, I
today.
should have asked that. Oh my goodness.
I was yelling the whole time, bro. My
Man, I
stomach.
missed out, guys. I missed out. How was it?
It's a
good.
very fun
Very
experience.
fun. Okay.
I like
okay.
that
How
they
about
gave you the chip as
Yeah.
well.
Oh,
for
really?
Yeah, they
Yeah.
give you the chip.
For the video.
Pagkatapos nung GoPro.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, but did you bring
Oh.
this?
No, I brought my own.
Oh,
Maybe I should have dual wielded, guys.
Dual wheel. Kirito.
I should have dual wielded, or maybe triple wielded with a phone. So Zoro.
But it's only 8.
Oh really? So they give you like a free.
Yeah.
My
Yeah,
goodness!
free.
Wow, very good, very good.
So go to Timbi's.
Timbits, guys, Timbits.
Timbi's paragliding.
Just make sure you don't miss a turn.
I know. There's like a small sign. We actually got lost on the houses there, right there, because we couldn't find this. But there is a small sign.
8 GB.
8 gig. Oh, okay, okay. Wow, that's decent. That's like 8 gig is like 5 minutes of 4K video, guys.
Mine was 13 minutes to 15
Okay,
minutes.
or
don't know if
maybe
it's 4K
longer,
though.
maybe longer,
I
maybe
just don't know
longer.
if it's what quality though.
Wow, I've been logging for 27 minutes. So that was a 20-minute ride, guys. Wow. They told me 15 minutes, but
Yeah,
it's
no,
longer.
Mine was 15 at least.
Yeah. Anyways.
Oh, that's her.
We had fun, guys. We had fun. Okay. I hope you guys liked the video. We're gonna go get some food. It's very hot here, as you can see. Look at this. No trees. Anyways, we're gonna go get ourselves our food, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Leave a like, subscribe, all that stuff, please. Helps the channel, guys. Helps the channel. Peace out.